In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a Substack subscription with ease and confidence. Whether you're keen to support your favorite creators or eager to unlock premium content, subscribing to a publication on Substack is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together. First things first, to kick off this journey, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Head over to the Substack website and input your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up by following the prompts, which usually involves entering your email address and verifying through a link sent to your inbox. After accessing your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to various settings and personal information related to your account. From the drop-down options, click on Settings. Once you're in the settings area, scroll down slightly until you spot the section labelled Subscriptions. This is where you can see all the newsletters you're currently subscribed to and can make adjustments or add new ones. Your next move is to navigate to the specific Substack publication you wish to subscribe to. Typically, users do this by visiting the publication's landing page. If you have a specific publication in mind, you might already have the direct link, making this step a bit quicker. On the publication's main page, keep an eye out for a button that says subscribe or perhaps upgrade to paid. Clicking on this button is your ticket to unveiling the various subscription options available. Here's where you get to make a choice. Substack publications typically offer multiple subscription plans. You can select a monthly plan, an annual membership, or in some cases a founding member package with added perks. Consider how often you engage with the content and choose a plan that best suits your consumption habits and budget. Once you've selected a plan, a new screen will prompt you to enter your payment details. This generally involves providing information from your credit or debit card, so ensure that your card is handy. Input the necessary details carefully to avoid any processing glitches. With your payment information securely entered, the last step is simply to click subscribe. As soon as you hit that button, you'll be warmly welcomed into the membership of your chosen publication, unlocking all the rich content they have to offer, and there you have it, you've successfully subscribed to a publication on Substack. By supporting independent creators, you're not just getting access to exclusive content, but also contributing to the vibrant ecosystem of diverse voices and narratives. Enjoy your reading journey, and feel free to explore more publications to enrich your Substack experience.